So in this video, we will learn how to create Google Analytics 4 account, GA4 account. Follow the steps as shown in the video. Click on Go to Analytics. Give a name to your account. Keep the options ticked as shown in the video and click on Next. Okay, name your property. So one account can have multiple properties. Property here refers to data source, means the website. Select the options as shown in the video. You can choose the company size as per your business, and here you can go with the other business activity, or if you want to choose, like if you are in beauty, if you are in education, health, then you can choose accordingly. So here it's not very hard and fast rule. You can go with the other business objective also and click on create. Make sure to accept the service agreement for India. So if it's for website, then click on web, enter your website URL. Website URL and stream name are different. So stream name is the like the data source name. So the stream is created. Now we need to install GA4 code on the website. So just copy the measurement ID that we will require for installation of the GA4 code. Go to Google Tag Manager, and here we will create a new tag for installing the GA4 code on the website. Go to variables, give a name GA4 measurement ID. Uh, so choose your constant, enter the measurement ID that we copied from GA4 and click on save. Now let's go to tags. Click on new, name the tag GA4 tag, yeah, GA4 configuration tag. Choose Google Analytics GA4 event, and here click on plus icon and you will see the GA4 measurement ID that we created. Select it and create Google tag, because we need to create one Google tag. It will automatically be created. Now give a name to the event. So GA4 tag. So now we need to create a trigger for that. So we can choose all three. We are choosing all three to make sure that GA4 code gets fired on the website. And now we can click on submit, and the GA4 code will be installed on the website.